If you are one of those small business owners who want to add TikTok to your social media and content strategy, I have a treat for you. In this video, I'm going to share 3 ways you can optimize your post for virality, to go viral, okay? Let's start with way number 1. Start by shooting an interesting video. Yep, that goes without saying. Then upload it to the platform and complete your edits there. How I want you to complete your edits is by adding the speech text feature to the video you have made, because TikTokers love this. Way number 3, the final way, add a trending track to your video. You will need to adjust the audio so that it suits your original audio because it's a business video, correct? And then you're going to add your copy and hashtags if you want. The hashtags aren't important. Please note, however, that the trending track is only available on personal accounts. Business accounts are not allowed to access these files. So I recommend that you switch your business over to a personal account where it works best. And that's it. Your videos will go viral in no time.